forward to the meeting with Allah, and we know the challenges that He has placed in our lives are part of the deal. It's part of what Allah's kept for us on earth, meaning Allah has chosen that for us, and Allah chooses for everyone different tests. Your life will be different from mine, and your life will be different from your own brothers and sisters. Your life will be different from your parents to a degree, sometimes very different. It's you, you're unique. A few days ago, I met a relative of mine here in London. And I said, oh, you look like your mother, or you look like your father. I can't remember. We were just talking about what they look like. You know, people look at you and say, hey, they see the dad in you, and they see the mum in you. It's quite easy to tell. People walked in, I could tell these people are part of one family. Why? They have some features that are similar, right? It happens. But when someone says, I think you look like your mum, and I tell you the truth is, you are you. You are unique. You are yourself. There is no one from the beginning of Adam right to the end of the last of our species who's going to be just like you. Not one. You are unique. You are yourself. That's what it is. But some similarities, yes, I agree. Some similarities. You might notice certain type of eyes, certain type of nose, maybe some ears. I can sometimes tell people are related just because of the shape of their ears. How's that? It can happen. It does happen. Subhanallah. And sometimes brothers, sisters, but very different. You wouldn't even believe. Sometimes twins, but you won't believe these are twins. You won't even believe they're related. That's Allah. That's Allah. The point I'm making is you are unique. You are you. Remember that. You might look similar, but Allah has chosen a totally different path. When I say a totally different path, I'm not talking of religion and so forth. I'm talking of your path of life. You're going to go, you're going to perhaps get married, your circumstances may be different, you will have children, you may not have children. Take it in your stride. Keep asking Allah for what you want and what is beneficial for you. Keep asking Allah to give you what you would like to have. But remember, ultimately He may not give it to you. Your dua does not go to waste.